Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Master Trader 101. Once again, I'm here to give you a video what's going on. As you can tell, for the past few days, I posted a video where I was able to make a gain of 1600%, and I hope you guys make a good profit over there, because this week, for the past few days, the market been red. It was a good opportunity for you to do option put if you haven't done so. So probably this week you can have another opportunity to do so, but for now, this is what's going on. And as you all know, there's some news that's going around Tesla gonna have a 3-for-1 split. So we're gonna read the article before we move to the watch list. We got a lot to say, and then let's go on to the Tesla 3-for-1 split. According to the article, they say finally Tesla filed for proxy statement with a SEC, wherein it revealed that it intends to implement a 3-for-1 in the form of stock dividend. What the split mean for stock? So basically, it means that your price is gonna be divided by 3. For example, if you bought it at 600, it's gonna be divided by 3. So basically, it's gonna be worth $200. This same idea as I think Amazon. Yeah, that was 2000, and this by the 20 is gonna be 2000 by 20 is gonna be 120. So I posted a video last week, so basically the same idea. So we're gonna see what else to say. Tesla stock has been battering and the sell-off since the start of the year. The stock is down 34% on the year-over-year today. There's a lot of stock that's going down year from year-over-year down. So basically because of COVID, lockdown, vaccination, stuff like that. So that's the reason why, and supply chain. So that's the reason why. The stock split could prove salubrious for Tesla, as it is a signal that the stock has grown to the point of becoming unaffordable to retail investors. So basically they're saying that since Tesla have been moving, I remember the pandemic, Tesla was or had a split also. It went all the way to, it was at $300, and then right now it went all the way to $700 to $1,000. So basically I think it's moving nicely. So like I say, we tell people cannot afford this stuff right now. So let's see what else to say. While a stock split doesn't change the value of one investment, it does have a positive psychology effect. Tesla has split its share once in the past, with 5-to-1 split taking effect on 2020. You see, remember what I say, 5-to-1 in 2020 when they had the pandemic. Post split, the stock was on tear and top out of 1,200 on November 2021. So basically on August they have it a stock split, and then a single boom, you want to on $1,200. So this is the news for the stock split. So if you like stock split, it is good time to invest, because the value or the price value can be decreased dramatically. So if you have, for example, for $600, and then now you divide by 3, so it's now $200. So if you cannot afford $600, so you can afford $200. And on top of that, you can buy option, which is very cheap right now because of the value. So basically you can buy it for a year or two. So basically you can cash out, like many people did for the last previous stock split, which was a good thing, because now especially the market going red, so you can buy at a very cheap price. So when it have booming, so you can around September, October, November, you can be able to make a nice gain. So you won't be able to force trading like everyone is force trading over the market. So you'll be able to be to cash in and then cash out easily. So now let's go over my watch list for tomorrow. As you can see, I'm on the bear market. So basically when it's a bear market, I do the option put list stock, and potentially gonna go red. And it's a bull market, I go over the stock that's usually go to green. So basically before I get started, and we're gonna add up this week another indicator, which is the VWAP. So go to the indicators and you can see VWAP, MA, and RSI. Just check it over. Last week we talked about the MA. As you know, MA is the one that's for example on the daily, is the one if the stock is moving above the MA, on top of the MA, that means a good chance that is going uptrend. If you below the MA, that's a good chance it's gonna be red, as you can tell. And then now we're gonna add up the VWAP. VWAP is in other indicators that you can do on the 15 15 minutes. The VWAP is a volume, so basically so you can look at it. If the VWAP is above VWAP and then it's still green, below VWAP it's still red, so you can add up. And also maybe the RSI as well. You can look at the three indicators. That's so far three indicators I've been giving you: VWAP, RSI, and MA. So that you can put that on a portfolio for you to be a better trader. So when the price is moving above the VWAP and then the MA, it is option call. And also if you can see is RSI is moving option, the option call, and it's the VWAP and MA, the stock is below that line. So basically it's for you, and then RSI is going down. As you can see, it's time for option put. So basically pay attention to that. So let's go over my watch list. The first one on the list is LMT. As you can see, Friday was a lot of red, so basically LMT make a big hit. So you can see 428, it went all the way to 428, it was at 430. As you can see big red line, boom. As you can see, just touch the VWAP, and it's below the MA, and also RSI is moving downtrend, so it's a good opportunity for you to do option put. Another stock I'm watching is for option put is TRV, which is Travelers Company. For right now there's not a lot of people gonna traveling, but we're gonna find out by next week. So since the holiday was over, so we're gonna see it going. As you can tell on the graph as well, is below the MA, and it's just trying to go below the VWAP, and the RSI is down. As you can see, it went from 169 and now it's 168.85. so basically, like I said, when this is below, the stock going down. Another one is DLR. I believe is Dollar Tree Company. No, it's digital. Okay. No, okay. So GLR, it is a digital company. So basically it's 131. It has above a million share. It just touched the VWAP, and the RSI just the RSI trying to have a U-turn over there. So basically you can put it on portfolios for you to make profit. And remember, those are the stock I'm giving you for option put. And this stock is ADM. ADM is an anchor, so basically it went from $84 and then right now is $85. So you can see the price easily. When you, as you can tell, the EMA VWAP all joined together and is moving downtrend. I think the 85 is kind of like people trying to sell out, and so far the lowest has been so far is 84.28. So I believe you gotta sell 24.28. Once you break that gap to 24.28, I think the lowest gonna be is 22, and the next thing you're 20. But pay attention to it. Put in portfolio. Another stock is FISV. Which is another company that I'm displaying to short. So as you can see, so far is above the VWAP, but the RSI is moving downtrend, and as you can see is it below MA. Is not really confirmed that's gonna be down. For now the lowest has been is 93, is 94. I will tell you to yes, if you cross the VWAP, which is 94.22, at that point you can start putting short, so and set at 93, which is a good stop loss for you to cash out and then make profit. And the stock is VRTX. It's a pharmaceutical. I mentioned a couple of weeks ago, VRTX at that time was bullish. Now unfortunately it's bearish. As you can see, the RSI is going down. It's just touching the VWAP and then it below MA. So as you can see, it's 254 and then drop dramatically to 252. Like I said, when those three met, the stock gonna go down. Like I said now, and then after market is on to 252. You can definitely put in a portfolio and then add up to it. So if you want to short. Another stock is ADP, which is data processing. As you can tell, you're gonna look at the graph closely to see. As you can tell, it's below the MA, and then it's just touching the VWAP. The VWAP was at 212.09 and right now is at 212.80. So it's really hard to bounce back. Either people are selling because they see that the next step is gonna be 210. So basically, as you can see, the RSI is going down, so you can put it on portfolio for you to short as well, which is a beautiful going down trend to 210. You can sell that. Another stock is LIN. LIN is a launch place, so basically that's another stock I'm planning to do option put. For the week, so as you can tell, it's just touching the view up. You haven't really confirmed which is very is it a buy or sell signal yet, and you can say just touching and stay there. But if you cross about 210 210.98 and then go below 210.50, so short it to 207, that's the 307, sorry, 307. If you cross below 310, as you can see, the RSI is moving downtrend, so you can put that on portfolio as well. So watch out to that. Another one is MNST. MNST is in the stock, is a Monster beverage. Again, I don't buy Monster beverage for so many reasons. You can always focus on them when they have a party and a holiday, but so far there's not something that's special. So basically you can see you can short it right now easily. As you can tell, the RSI is just moving downtrend, and you can see it's below MA, and then also on top of VWAP you can always short it easily. And the stock I'm watching for tomorrow, which is AVGO, which is Broadcom. As you can see, Broadcom is 541, and look at the 30 minutes. So basically look at the MA, and the MA is just it just touched after the market just crossed it below, and then you can see the RSI is below as well. I believe the lowest is gonna get for now is 540, is a wish 541, and I think it's just they're trying to see if we cross 540, it's gonna be 538. So basically we'll see how tomorrow gonna get. So put in portfolio, but for now I'm just staying out and watching it. I'm not buying it for this one. Another stock is STX, which is Seagate Technologies in the stock. I'm gonna put my portfolio for you to watch, so you can watch it or you can trade as well. As you can see, the lowest is gonna be for the 30 minutes, it's gonna be 80.15, and right now it just crossed the 80.61, and the RSI is down. And we're gonna see if we cross below 80.15, at this point it's gonna be 78. So basically just put on portfolio and then watch it carefully, so in order for you to make gain. Before now I'm just watching it. I'm not gonna go crazy and then buy it right now, since it's already 80. And the stock is A, which is a Jillian, is 120 something. So like you can sell the lowest is 119.75, which is after market is 120, so basically it's 25 cents. So you can see RSI just cross over, and then the MA is below MA and just touch the VWAP. So basically it's probably to go to 120, and then you can buy it if you want to do a 10% 20% on your option. We probably go to 119, and once you go to 119.5, it's just a matter of time to go to 118. So you can set a 119 to 118.5. That's you to make that decision. And then the stock I'm watching is XLB, which is material select sector, which is the stock I'm watching. This is below $100, is $81. So basically you can see the MA and the VWAP are met together, and you can see the RSI is moving downtrend, and you can see it's moving downtrend as well. That's why you see it's keep moving after the market 81.42, which I don't blame. And the VWAP is at 87 is below the VWAP. So basically you can always put in a portfolio, or you can go ahead for a quick 10% gain when you go to below 81 point or 80 or $80. You can sell for $80, so which is gonna be a 10 or 20% gain. And the stock which is Visa. I didn't know Visa was shorting. Surprise every day. Visa, which is a good stock, I admire it. On Friday he had a big hit. Oh, I didn't pay attention to that. That's good news for me. On Friday it closed at 206, and now you dropped to 199.5. Wow, that's a big dip. So whoever bought it on Thursday, congrats. And from 212, that's 30-point drop. That's more than 20-point drop. So that's a lot of gain. So basically, as you can see, the RSIs keep dipping, and I believe right now is on 199.5. The lowest is on 199.3. It's already 199.3. So by tomorrow it's gonna be 198.5. If you go to 198.5, the next step is 197.5. Whatever I should to sell for 198.5, and then protect your portfolio for a 10-20% gain, because anything can happen after that. And the stock is SOXX. SOX is iShare. Personally, I said the other video, I stay away from iShare regarding the price, the momentum. I don't know, I will stay away from them. As you can see on the graph, is 388.29, and then the close about 389, and then the RSI is moving downtrend, and then there you can see the the stock moving downtrend is below the MA, also the VWAP. So I stay away from the iShare, but you can always add on portfolio and then trade carefully to make profit. So for myself, I stay away from that. And the stock I'm watching is SMH, which is Vector. So we're gonna say which is $224 close after hours, and it's close out to 23.8. As you can see, same pattern below the VWAP and then below the MA, and then RSI is going down. And I'll advise my intake is probably go to 23.5. If you go below to 23.5, that's time for you to short again, to short to 20. But if it's doesn't go to 2023, stay away and then watch for it to go higher again, so you can short it again and to make profit. And then the stock is LRCX. LRCX, as you can tell, the price is 474 and it closed 470. As you can see, according to the graph, the lowest is 474.20 and that one is 474.20 70 already. And as you can see, is below the MA and the VWAP, which is good sign, but we're gonna wait. If you cross 470 below 470, my entry is probably go to 472, and then we probably say rebound. We don't know yet, so for now you can put a portfolio, and then I don't think we have to see the bottom yet, but put in a portfolio. And one thing I noticed as well, remember I said the Visa earlier, the Visa and MasterCard, which is MA, they move together. Once one is going up, the other one's going up. Once one's down, going down, the other one's going down. So if you put the V in your portfolio and M in your portfolio, they are both together. You can have double whammy, which is double gain if you trade carefully, or also you can lose double twice. They are both correlated since they are debit or credit and transaction. And as you can see, the lowest has been is 235. It's broke that trend. It go all the way to 234.80. As you can see, the RSI is moving downtrend, and you can see all that's moving downtrend. So basically, it's a good opportunity. If we below to it 34.5, my next step is gonna be 330 or 322. To 330 or 328. Yeah. Sorry about that. Another one is ADSK. ADSK is that's another stock that you can add up to a portfolio for it to short tomorrow. As you can see, it has a 187.8 and is in after hours 187.78. As you can see, you see the RSI and the MA just all above. So basically, you don't have any decision yet, so you can watch it and then sit back and watch it, or you can just discard it. For me, I won't even pay attention to that, since when a bear market and anything can happen, they probably shake you up or try to make you sell early, or they show your data. For that reason, I stay away from it. Another stock is IFF, which is international flavor. As you can see, the price is 124.9 is closed, and after hours 125. And then as you can see, the RSI and the M and then the VWAP touch together, and it's just moving downtrend. The lowest I think is gonna get is 124.57, and after it already 124.90. If it drop to 124.27, my lowest is gonna be 123.50. So if you see it's going downtrend, my take is that sell to 123.50, and then after that you probably have a rebound. But if you haven't buy anything yet, just stay away from it. So, and the stock is mRNA, which is Moderna. I stay away from any stock that's there with vaccine, pandemic, Moderna, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson. I stay away from them because they are very manipulated, and then you can usually make money or easily destroy your account. And as you can see, they try to move in uptrend to try to break the VWAP, which is the 127.44, and one is at 127.12, and after hours 127.25, which is a good move. As you can see, RSI is moving up. So basically, it's not definitely a bear. It looks like it probably go to move the uptrend. So we're gonna see how tomorrow gonna bring, if it's gonna be bear or bullish. Another stock I'm watching is BX. It's not the first time I mentioned BX. I remember I mentioned the last time. So right now it's at 17.60, and then 107.99 is close. So basically, you can see the VWAP is just touching the VWAP, and also the RSI is moving downtrend. and then you can see the MA. So basically at this point, I think is the lowest has been is 105.8, and right now it's 107.60. After I was on 7.99. So you can see it's moving downtrend. So basically my intake is I wait for it to go to 107 or 106. We can have 10-20% gain to make a portfolio. So I don't forget another stock I'm watching, SPY, which is SP500. As you can see, after the CPI report on Friday, as I mentioned, the stock went from 410 and all the way to 390, and it closed 289. As you can see, there is way below the VWAP and then just below the MA. So basically any RSI is going down. On my intake, that's the news going on. You probably got 385 easily or 386, but anyway, you can go also to the return to 395 easily. And the stock I'm watching is COS, which is Costco. On Thursday, I mentioned on Wednesday that Costco can go crazy on Thursday, and it went from 469 to all the way to 482. I opened money on option call, and then after that, like I said, it's 482, and after that, it dropped all the way from 483 to all the way to 457 on Friday throughout the day. So basically, it's trying to go back to the 457 again. Right now it goes at 463 after I was 462. As you can see, it's below the MA and then the VWAP, and RSI moving downtrend, probably go to 460 or 457. So you can always watch and pay attention to that as well, and be careful with that. And guys, if you like to know also how to be a better trader, let me know, ask me a question, or if you have any comment, leave it down below. I'm at Discord down below, you can be part of it. And would like to support my work, I got PayPal, and also I got Cash App. You can always support me, I'll be gladly appreciate it. And guys, I hope you make money this week. My goal this week is from the other day I was like 16,000%. My goal is make 20,000%. You can join the journey. And also I was mentioning the other day, like I've been trying for $15 to turn to million for the past 3 to 6 months. You can join me as well, and starting tomorrow I'm gonna do the trade, so you can find out which trade I made, how I make money, and you can be part of it. And that was the video for today. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, share to anyone that's new, subscribe, and smash the like button. And once again, it was my tutorial 101. I'll see you next video. Ciao, have a good day. Check